I know I'm going to eat every single bite of this. This is definitely an iconic spot to come. This is an ice cream shop that gets 4.9 stars on Google. Hi, I'm Melissa from Everyday Family Travel. Welcome to our Sanibel Island food tour, where we are highlighting our favorite restaurants from our time in Sanibel. Today we're having lunch at Grandma Dot's. As I did my research in restaurants in the area, this one came up time and time again, so we're really excited to try it out. It's at Sanibel Marina, so it's really beautiful outside. They do have outdoor seating. It's a little bit warm today, so we're sitting inside, but on a nice day, that would be a really great option. I have ordered a grilled grouper sandwich, and this is made with local grouper, house-made potato chips, and some fruit. We also got some mahi fish tacos to try. Our kids got fish and chips and some popcorn shrimp, and it all really looks really fresh and delicious.
That is really good.
Okay, my grilled grouper sandwich is absolutely delicious. It's very flaky, cooked perfectly. I know I'm going to eat every single bite of this. All the kids' food looks incredible. Everything that's fried, it's not greasy at all. It's just very well done. The homemade potato chips are delicious, and it comes with like a side of like this homemade aioli sauce. The kids are all loving their food as well. I'm seeing a lot of empty plates over here, and everything is absolutely delicious.
Really good.
Tonight, we decided we wanted dinner with a view, so we grabbed some pizza from Scooter's Pizza and headed down to Bowman's Beach. And Scooter's Pizza is a new pizza shop here on Sanibel Island. It gets incredible reviews. We're really excited to try it out. It looks absolutely delicious. Look at this. We got a margarita pizza and a sausage pizza for the kids, and we are about to dig in here on the beach. After this experience, I would definitely say that pizza on the beach at sunset should be on your Sanibel Island bucket list. Today we're checking out Wickies Lighthouse Restaurant. This place gets 4.8 stars on Google. I've been so excited to try it. I got the crab cake Benedict. It looks absolutely incredible. Austin got fish tacos. We also got some kids meals of waffles. They actually serve brunch until 3 o'clock, which is amazing. And we have someone else who got the seafood omelet that I might have to try a bite of. It looks so good. We're ready to dig in.
That is excellent. I love it.
Is everything tasting good?
Really, thank you.
All right, I got the fish tacos. And it's a grouper fish, so we're gonna dig in here.
Grouper, cucumber pico, cotija cheese, avocado sauce. Really delicious.
Okay, my crab cake Benedict was absolutely delicious. Every single bite, it was so good. I actually tried my son's seafood omelet and it was even better. So highly recommend the seafood omelet if you come. That is what I will definitely be getting next time. We need a little coffee fix this morning, so we are here at Magic Bus Coffee and Ice Cream, about to get some iced vanilla lattes. This is really good, an excellent espresso flavor. Highly recommend it. We returned 2 more times for smoothies and ice cream. Magic Bus is a great spot for a morning cup of joe or sweet treat in the afternoon. For lunch today, we're trying out Doc Ford's. We just got our appetizers. We're trying out the crab cakes and the Yucatan shrimp.
Really good.
All right, our appetizers were really good, and now we're going to dig into our entrees. I got the shrimp penne, and it's in like this creamy sauce. It has tomatoes and avocados and shredded cheese. It looks really good. It's really good. It has like a citrusy cream base with tomatoes and avocado and cheese on top. It's really good.
I got the fish sandwich. It has a little slaw in there, and so we're gonna try it out. It's breaded a little bit, but it's not bad at all. It's still really light. It's a really good sandwich.
We're here for our very first breakfast on Sanibel Island. We are trying out Lighthouse Cafe, which gets really great reviews. We've heard about it from so many locals. I'm trying out the Denver omelet with some toast with homemade strawberry jam, potatoes, and a side of French toast. This Denver omelet is super good. I also love the French toast. All of our kids, their plates are almost empty, so I know they loved it too. And this is definitely an iconic spot to come for breakfast in Sanibel Island. We decided we needed a little treat this afternoon, so we are heading to the Shack. This is an ice cream shop that gets 4.9 stars on Google. It looks like a very popular spot, and we're excited to try it.
Oh, it's really good.
So I got the vanilla custard with Reese's peanut butter cups, and it is really delicious. There were so many options of toppings. They also have shaved ice in there, which a couple of our kids got, but really delicious. A great spot if you want a cold treat on a warm afternoon. Tonight we're at Rosalita's Cantina. This is a Tex-Mex place that gets incredible reviews, and the menu looks absolutely amazing. I ordered the shrimp fajitas and enjoyed every bite. They offer a great kids menu as well, making it the perfect spot for families. We wanted a cool treat while we were exploring Captiva Island, so I just picked up some mint ice cream at Boop's. This is part of the Bubble Room, which is one of the most popular restaurants on the island. It is a super cute shop. I'm excited to try it out. That wraps up our Sanibel Island food tour. If you're planning a trip to Sanibel, check out the description for more videos of our favorite things to do in the area. And don't forget to subscribe for more family-friendly travel guides just like this.